In this lesson, I will show you how to create a complex 3D sketch by using plane inside a 3D sketch. First, take a new 3D sketch. Inside it, I will create a rectangle on this ZX plane. So press tab key twice. After creating this, then select this midpoint of this line and select this center of this origin and make a coincident relation. Then I have to put few dimension. Before I do that, I will change from millimeter to IPS. This side 24 inch and this side 40. Now we can see this is still not fixed, so deactivate this dimension tool. Now I will try to move it, and now I can see this is just rotating, floating all around the place. So select this line, and here I will move this to along Z. So select this along Z relation, and this line select along X. Now this is completely fully defined. Then I will create a plane. Before I do that, I will create this line as a construction geometry. Then select plane tool, select this line. This is my first reference, which will make a coincident relation with this line. Then select this top plane. It will create 45 degree with this top plane. If I see from front view, this is that plane. Then press OK. This plane is active now. Now I will see from top. Whatever I will draw now, it will create on this plane. Activate this line tool, select this endpoint, then few more line, and finish on this point. I am done. Now put few more dimension. Add this angle between these two, which is 45 now. Now deactivate this dimension tool, then double click in this blank area to go outside from this plane. Create another new plane. Select this line and top plane. Create 60 degree angle with this top plane. If I see from right, this is that plane, then press OK. Now this plane is active. If I see from top, this is the situation. Now I will create few more line. Start from this point. So this is done. Now put one more dimension, which is 15. Now make these two lines equal. Now this is showing still this is underdefined, but actually this is not underdefined. If I try to move this, I can move this. For some reason in SolidWorks this is showing this is underdefined, but actually it's not. It says it's just a bug inside the SolidWorks. That's fine. I will click somewhere inside this blank area. Now this is my sketch. If I want to add, let's say, any fillet, I can add it. I will make this line as a construction geometry. Now select this point and this point. Put 5. Also, if I want, I can also create fillet on this corner. Make it 2.5 and press OK. So this kind of complex 3D sketch you will be able to create inside this 3D environment.